Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question, which is which among the following processes result in genetically identical twins? Option A, by zygotic division resulting in two daughter cells which help develop independently. Option B, many eggs produced at the same time will result in genetically identical twins. Option C, by embryo splitting before cellular differentiation. Option D, both A and C. So let us understand the question. It says, which among the following processes result in genetically identical twins? So what do you mean by genetically identical? Genetically identical twins. Okay. So these are the babies which contain the same genes. Okay, same genes, or you can say identical genes. Okay, these contain both the babies, the twins we are saying. So that means two babies are developing at the same time and they have identical genes in them. Okay, that means the genes on allosomes as well as allosomes as well as autosomes are same. Okay, so that is what is the meaning of genetically identical twins. So usually these are also called as clones. What are these called as? Clones, because they are genetically identical to each other. Now let us understand the options. The options are by zygotic division resulting in two daughter cells which develop independently. Now suppose after fertilization, you know that one male gamete fuses with a female gamete and you get the zygote. And this zygote in sometimes what I mean divides into two daughter cells, and the two daughter cells will further they develop into individual embryo. Okay, so the two daughter cells are what they have formed from the same zygote, right? From the zygote, and they are divided by mitotic division, not meiotic division. Okay, and hence they will have the same chromosome number, same genes, everything will be same, they'll be identical. So this will develop into an embryo and further to the baby. This will individually develop into an embryo and further to a baby. So this will give rise to clones. Okay, that is genetically identical clones, or it is a genetically identical twins. So option A is the correct answer. Now let us look at the option B. Option B says many eggs produced at the same time will result in genetically identical twins. First of all, many eggs are not released at the same time. Okay, that is wrong. Even if they are released, they all have to be fertilized by the same sperm, which is impossible. Hence, option B is totally ruled out. Okay, and we know that during ovulation, only one ovum is released, every cycle. Okay, hence option B is ruled out. Option C says the embryo splitting before cellular differentiation. Okay, so when the embryo is having in the form of a mass of cells, where all are the embryonic cells. Okay, all are these embryonic stem cells, we would say embryonic stem cells. So these embryonic stem cells are capable of multipotent, or you can say totipotent. These are totipotent cells. Totipotent means these can give rise to any part of the body. And after this, they will undergo differentiation. Okay, and then they will give rise to baby. So now this mass of cell, if that gets divided into half, like you have two mass of cells. This is one mass and this is one mass. Here, these have not undergone differentiation. They are still the totipotent cells, or even you can say pluripotent cells. They have the ability to give rise to different types of cells. Totipotent means they have the ability to form any type of cells. So stem cells have the ability to form any type of cells, especially the embryonic stem cells. Now, further, each of the divided parts that will give rise to new, that will develop independently into a baby. And this also will develop independently to baby. But they all are genetically identical. Okay, even if further differentiation occurs, but still, though the genes are same, so what happens? The development also will be same. Okay, so hence they will be genetically identical. So you can say that option C is also correct. So option D says both A and C, so that should be the right answer. So let us conclude. So what is the answer? The answer is option D. Okay, I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.